Every morning, people wake up early. Some walk long roads to the fields, some rush to offices, some work under the sun, some carry heavy responsibilities. Yet, at the end of the month, money is still missing. If hard work is enough, why do so many hardworking people still have a tough time? Salary comes, bills go, loans remain, dreams wait. This is not just one family's story. This is the story of millions. Hard work alone is not always enough. Ask yourself today, will I keep working hard all my life and still find it difficult to move forward? Let me show you a very simple picture. On this side, people who only work for money. They follow the same routine every day, hoping things will get better. They earn, they spend, they repeat. Day by day, month by month, life passes by. At 25, energy is high. At 35, responsibilities grow. At 45, their body slows down. At 55, income becomes uncertain. Now, look at the second side. Same person, same hard work. The only difference? They started investing small, consistently, patiently. Not rich, not an expert, just disciplined. Consistency is what makes the difference over time. Over time, their money grows quietly while they live their life. And here's the biggest lesson. Not starting is also a risk. Because time never waits, and money that doesn't grow slowly loses value. Not gambling. Investment is not only for the rich. Investment is not about getting rich quickly. Investment is patience, discipline, and letting time do its work. Like a small seed, planted today, grows into a tree tomorrow. It grows silently, steadily, and in the end, it changes life. The money you grow today will support you tomorrow. Even small amounts, when consistent, create something meaningful over time. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting now and letting time do the work. You don't need a lot of money to start. What you need is clarity and the courage to take the first step. Ask yourself today, will I work forever, or will my money work with me someday? Your future is watching, and the decisions you make today will shape it. Start small, start today, let your money grow quietly while you live your life. Remember, it's not about how fast you start, it's about when you start. Here's something to think about. Who knows? If you invest just 10,000 per month, in 20 years it could grow to around 1 crore. Imagine what that could do for you tomorrow. If you liked this video and want to watch more like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. It really encourages us to make more videos for you.